Alright, this is going to be a cold start and a no start slash jump start. This is my 92 6.5 turbo diesel. It's a 3/4 ton. It's got 9 inches of lift and 35s on, I think these are 20s. I can't remember. Yeah, they're 20s. And it's going to be a partial update video of my white truck. But for right now, we're going to start this turd up. And then we are going to use it to jump start my black truck. Little plugs. Starts up nice. Little coolant lights on because water pump's leaking, but I'm not gonna have it running long enough. Got some nosy neighbors that might bug us, but let's see if we can't get my white truck started up.